think they targeted the personal effects of our clients because they just came, threatened people. When our customers ran in, they started picking their phones and laptops and ran away with those items. Phone snatching affects us mostly. We have several clients here who have lost their phones. A client walks out, maybe speaking to somebody or ordering a Uber, gets his phone snatched. So it has affected us and also people around here. You can't just walk around speaking with your phone freely.
What's the authorities doing about this? I see bodas, normal bodas, breaking all the laws. All the laws. They come from the opposite side of the road and the traffic police are just there. They don't do anything.